feeling down on your luck, you're tired and stuck, enough is enough. You gotta pick yourself up, cause life gets hard. It might leave scars, could tear you apart if you let it be smart, yeah. You wanna be just like the stars, take me to Mars, high up and far, guess that's a start, All I know is that I love making art, straight to my heart, keep up my guard, and always work hard, yeah. It's hard to have faith when you had a taste of this awful place, and if that's the case, you're sitting there sick and tired of the rat race. The fast pace has you thinking it's a bad place. You just wanna blast off into outer space. I get it, trust me, I've been there, just wait. It gets better if you take control of your fate. So stop waiting and get going your own way. Broken dreams and these hopeless teens, how it's supposed to be, yeah. Are all these broken dreams and these hopeless teens how it's supposed to be, yeah. I'm sick and tired of these broken dreams, these broken teens, sitting down on broken screens. It sucks, cause I really know what hopeless means, but focus seems to stem from the darkest themes. Don't park your dream, get a jump start and dream of everything you thought you ever wanted to be. Then mark your team, together you can be something. Be smart and see that you is all you really need, yeah. Sometimes you gon' feel like you don't know, sometimes you gon' feel like it's going slow, sometimes you gon' wish that it came fast, sometimes you gon' dwell back on the past, yeah. I'm here to tell you that it won't last. Your mind's stronger than you think, get past all the things that keep you feeling bad, and pick yourself up and carve your own path, all these broken dreams and these hopeless teens, how it's supposed to be, yeah. Are all these broken dreams and these hopeless teens how it's supposed to be, yeah. You will not change my mind, I'm here to stay. I'll grind, I'll be the best all time. I will not fade, I'll climb. I'm here to stay, here to play. Got one life and I know what a year can change. My fear to fame, near the same. Got that voice in the back of my ear to say, don't give up, don't hold back, you're not enough. Stay on track, it's been tough, close the gap. It can suck, that's a fact, but no, I won't slow down. Hold my own right now, in the zone I found. Finna blow this sound as I grow this crowd. You all know me now, being known, call it cloud. Better watch the fuck out, yeah. You will not change my mind, I'm here to stay. I'll grind, I'll be the best all time. I will not fade, I'll climb. Coast to coast, fin to roast any motherfucker who been thinking he could beat me though. Keep him low, sneaking though. I'ma be the one creeping up until I'm meeting foes. Believe me ho, you don't know all the shit I've been through, never gonna take it slow. Awake ago, now I know the code flowing through my mind just like a wave it goes on. To be the best, must be different than the rest. Must commit to every test, turning no's into a yes. Fuck the haters, second guess, while you know what you do best. Take the risk and take the debt, count the cards and rake the deck, yeah. You will not change my mind, I'm here to stay. I'll grind, I'll be the best